Hello everyone, you've got John and we've got Francis with us looking absolutely stunning today. If you think she looks stunning, let us know down in the comment section down below. We've got Jason Static off over to the right hand side over here wooing me on because we sold seven items on eBay for really good money. He's gonna mess me completely up, but that's okay. We're gonna persevere and we're gonna give it the old 1, 2, 3. So Megan, Francis, my lovely Vanna White, what is the item that we sold first? Oh, I got it. We have Conan the Barbarian VHS tape. Look at them muscles. He's like 76 years old, and he still whooped my butt. He's pretty awesome. I bought this the other day. I paid like 25 or 50 cents for it. How much did it sell for?
$4.41 plus shipping.
$4.41 plus shipping. I'm rich, and I blame Jason Static because he's the VHS king over there, and he got me into buying VCR tapes, and I make all the monies. All those $4. That ain't even enough to tip at the Mexican restaurant, Jason.
Hey, it sells.
Next item that we have here is this Rocksteady, these Trojan, I don't know if that's some kind of Trojan condom series, if they put out CDs. I have no idea. Practice safe listening, folks. Anyways, how much did it sell for, Francis?
$9 plus shipping.
This many dollars plus shipping. Woo! We got a 1949 Mercury lead sled. That thing is absolutely gorgeous. Jason Static said he absolutely hates this car. He'd never drive one.
They're my favorite kind of car.
He says they're his favorite kind of car, but I know that they're not. Anyways,
Mercury's.
He said Datsuns and Mercury's.
And 66 Cadillacs.
And 66 Cadillacs are his favorite. They're like,
if you got one, let me know.
They're like, who is Jason Static? He'll have to make a guest appearance in a minute. But anyways, how much did this sell for, Francis?
$15 plus shipping.
$15 plus shipping, and we have 2 of them. We only sold 1, though. So if you want one, go on our eBay. And you know we'll at least take $15 for it because we're cheap like that. The next item that we have here is the Nintendo GameCube Resident Evil 4. I watched a guy on live the other day picking the stickers off of the game things. I'm like, why would you do that? Like, he's literally spending like 3 hours picking off the stickers. And I'm not saying he's not a good guy. He's a really big YouTuber. You guys might know who he is. But I'm not talking smack about him. I'm just saying, I sold mine and didn't even have to pull the stickers off of it. How much did it sell for, Francine?
$25 plus shipping.
25 plus shipping. So don't waste your time picking stickers off stuff. Waste your time listing, because it ain't a waste of time. It's making money, right, Static?
That's right.
Woo!
Yeah.
Woo! Live studio audience.
I can't really see
Jason
it,
Static.
but we got the poster.
Next item that we have here is that buff, that hunk, that do. Who is it, Static?
Dukes of Hazzard.
Dukes of Hazzard, jumping just some good old boys, ain't up to no harm. And we got him on one side and Leif Garrett on the other. We sold that poster for how much, Francine?
$30 plus shipping.
$30 plus shipping. Woo. That's amazing. I can't believe that I did it. I can't believe. I would like to thank Jesus, first of all. I like to thank Megan for believing in me and marrying an ugly guy, and Jason Static for being one of my best friends in the whole world. I appreciate it.
And pointing him to the pop culture lane.
Pointing me to the pop culture lane. Is this the last item, Francine?
Nope.
Oh, we've got this item right here. You guys are like, wait a second. This is deja vu, John. Didn't you just sell one of them yesterday? You would be correct. I did.
Skippy.
But the one that I sold yesterday was not factory sealed. This one is factory sealed. It's kind of, the box is kind of crunchy on it. Ain't the best box, but it's from 1971. So unless you know a guy named Doc and he has a DeLorean that he has transferred into a what, Megan?
A time machine.
How fast do you have to go back in time, Megan? Do you know?
I don't remember.
Do you know, Jason?
88 miles.
88. Say it louder so the people in the back.
88 miles per hour.
88 miles per hour. But you don't have a time machine because that's not real. Unless you have, like, you can go like 99% the speed of light. But then you just end up in the future. Like, I don't know how you go back in time, but I know how to go forward in time because Einstein told us that. But anyways, how much did it sell for, Francine?
$90 plus shipping.
$90! I paid $100 for all of them. My wife's like, you gave too much money to that little old lady. And I said, I didn't, Megan. I said, nay. Nay! Nay, did I?
Tell that woman how to do it.
Did I? No. we don't talk that way on this channel. I said, nay, you do right by people, and the universe does right by you. $90, paid for everything. I listed $300 off that $100 bill. What is the last item that we got to sell? Woo! This smells like orange sherbet. It's a great looking knife, folks. I'm going to get right up here on the screen so you can see it. This is a case pocket knife. It's orange. Look how beautiful that knife is. Gorgeous. It came with the box. Probably have to wipe it down. I got fingerprints all over it. Came with the box, the paperwork and everything. On the box, the price tag says $46.99. Ooh, she wiped that up here. I got some fingerprints on me too, Megan. Anyways, she says,
talk like that here.
She says I'm dumb. But this was originally $72.99. Their price was $46.95. But what was our price, Francis? What did we sell it for?
$125 plus shipping.
$125 plus shipping. I tell you what, I'm a legend. I know that people talk about me. They're out there saying, no, John says he makes all this money on eBay. But let me tell you, people, I make a bunch of money on eBay because I am the king of selling stuff on eBay. You might not agree with me.
And you list.
And I do, and I list. That's the number one thing about being a good king of eBay, is you just list a bunch of stuff. You buy often, or you buy well, sell often. I heard somebody say that one time, and I kind of adopted that as my own little motto. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're going to bring Jason Static in here, and we're going to let him talk about his awesome collectible store that you can buy. Look at these cards. Look at that card that he's got. That's pretty daggum awesome. This is all the cool stuff that he buys. I'll try to get a picture of it, maybe plop it up. I guess this will work pretty good. Look at that yellow edging. Come on in, Jason Static, and tell us, what kind of stuff do you buy?
Man, I buy all kinds of stuff. I buy toys, I buy collectibles, I buy cards, comic books, VHS tapes, movies, architectural salvage, t-shirt, the king of t-shirts right here.
The king of t-shirts right
Vincent
here.
Price.
Right here.
All kinds of stuff.
So if you want to check out Jason Static, you can go WEARE 130, I can't do 8, co.com. Right here it is. Go check him out. He has his own website. He said, eBay? No, I'm not the king of eBay. He goes, I'm the king of the internet. Jason Static, WEARE138co.com. So go check him out. Be sure to do what, Megan? What do they got to do in this video?
Like and subscribe.
Go down below. Be sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and go to Megan's. We figured out the problem. She is not below standard. She is, what is it, Megan?
Above standard.
Come up here and talk to us.
Above standard.
Tell us about your store. We're doing some promos.
I'm not top rated because I didn't sell enough items.
She only sold 96 items last year, so we need to get her items up. Because she's not the queen of eBay yet.
But she will be.
She will be, though. I'm looking for my queen. I'm trying to get my princess of eBay to queen level status. She needs to get there. So she needs like 4 more items sold. And I'm not begging anyone to go out and buy something they don't need, but go check it out. I'll have a link below to his website. I'll have a link below to her website. And as always, there's a link below to my website. And we appreciate you guys for watching. And we need to get her above whatever that's called. Top rated. And we need to sell 4 more items. So someone go help her out. I'm going to go buy one and then get kicked off eBay for doing it. You guys have a good day. God bless you guys. As always, thank you for watching. And remember, the family that picks together, what do they do, guys?
Sticks together.
Woo!